Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to discuss how to get SEO clients. So, getting SEO clients, this has came up more times than not, so I want to discuss a few tips, a few strategies, a few ideas on what and how you can go ahead and get yourself some clients so you can prosper in 2020. So, first and foremost, I want to say this. My goal, my objective is to help, okay? I'm just going to go through the things that have helped me and my partners achieve and receive more clients. So, as you all know, or if you've been with me any period of time, a lot of the things that I do to get clients is I do JVs. There are a lot of my partners that are on all of the platforms, People by the Hour, Fiverr, Upwork, all of them. They're on the forums. They have selling categories on the forums. Any of the marketing forums, Warrior Forum, Black Hat World, all of them, right? So one is platforms. You want to get clients? Go to the platforms, reach out, start talking to people, work with people. You offer a service, give them a break, give them a commission for bringing you clients, work with them. You want to make money? Share money with others. You'll start bringing in more. Number two, and this should really be number one, pick up the phone. If you are in an industry, right, say you work with roofers, say you work with plumbers, grab the phone book, go online, whatever the case is, pick up the phone, give them a call. Hi, John, this is Chris Palmer from X and X agency. I see that your competition is 1, 2, 3. I've been in this industry for X amount of years. I'd love to show you what I could do to help you, to help your business, to make you money. It's all about your customer. What can you do for them? How can you get them to the finish line? They know who their competition is. They know they're being beat online. Show them what you could do for them. So number two, which should be number one, but number one is make partnerships. Two is pick up the phone. So P2P or PTP, pick up the phone. Give them a call, guys. Number three is social, right? You know who your customers are, right? You know who you are trying to reach. Find them on LinkedIn, find them on Instagram, find them on YouTube, find them on Facebook, and reach out. Don't be rude. Don't be disrespectful. Show respect to their time, but reach out to them. Tell them who you are. Tell them what your service is. And most of all, tell them how you can help them achieve their goals. If you need to work for free, do it. And this brings me to 4. If you're just starting out, the number one thing that you need to achieve is getting people in the door. It's crucial to your business, getting people in the door. So 4 is don't let pride get in your way. This happened to me forever when I first started out. Oh man, my skill set is worth this. No, you need to present your idea and your service to the market and let the market decide. Now, it's not a race to the bottom, but you need to achieve results first. So if you need to work with somebody and give them results first and give them time first, trust me, when you start presenting results to your client, they're going to tell all of their friends, not in their industry, and trust me, you will start getting referrals. This here, not having pride, doing results, goes hand in hand with the platforms. Pick up the phone and the social. It all works together. You're doing everything you can to get results for the initial clients that you have, even if it's free. It doesn't matter. Anybody you get achieve massive results. They will tell their friends. They will tell their family. They will bring you clients. Relationships are number one. Working on the platforms. Start getting in touch with people. If you have a prospect or you have a potential customer that you want to reach, pick up the phone. Go on to social. Start reaching out to them. The process and the tactics are easy. So this is going to really wrap up just some quick tips on how you can get some clients. Guys, my friends, all you need to do is plan out your plan and then work the plan. Know who you're trying to reach. Know your service. Make sure your service is mastered. And then present your service to the potential prospect, the client. And trust me, do a good job. Do it for a fair price. Be reputable. Be honorable. And trust me, you're going to get more clients. So start doing the work. You will get the clients. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any other questions about getting clients, agencies, SEO, search engine optimization, social media, anything digital marketing related, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next How to Get More Clients video. Have a wonderful day.